Good morning. Since the last month of All India Reporter did not reach for the corona reasons, now I incline to discuss act by act, which all are important in our day-to-day life as well as in our profession. First, Aadhaar, Targeted Delivery of Financial and Other Subsidies, Benefit and Services Act 2016. This go with rules. For this, you kindly go through Union of Justice K.S. Panisamy versus Union of India 2018-7 Supreme Court 129. In the given case, the several provisions of the Aadhaar Act has been deeply discussed apart from several other cases. The Act deals with several correlated provisions like UIDAI, UDAI, CIDR, then MGNREGA services, then Authentication Service Agency, Aadhaar Authentication Regulations 2016 also deals with this Aadhaar Act. Then BSP, Biometric Solutions Provider. All these things should be discussed. The offences under this Act are declared as cognizance. Section 47 deals with the offences. Then the storage involving end-to-end encryption, logical partitioning, firewalling, anonymization, decrypted biometric data, all are defined under this Act. Then also AUA and KUA deals with Authentication Service Agency. All these words are most important. Then the definition of resident, section 2V has been defined, and therein immigrants do not get Aadhaar enrollment. That was also held. Then the dignity of an internal element of natural law, that has been decided that state forcing an individual to part with her and his dignity or any other right under Part 3 will not be permissible. That was also decided. Then some of the information could only be disclosed only through the order of the court. You may come across ex-hospital case when AIDS information was sought for. That was a sensational case, dealt with disclosing information. Then liberty and identity, reducing a person to number, that was also discussed in pursuance of section 3.1, section 4.3, section 7.1, along with section 2K definitions, wherein several guidelines were issued. Then for children, there should be parental consent. That was dealt under section 5, read with regulation 3 and 4 of Enrollment and Update Regulations 2016. Then possession of an Aadhaar number was declared to be optional. Thereafter, the power of delegation under section 23 and 54 was held legal. Privacy connotation was discussed. Then you can challenge your privacy if that was disclosed, but that privacy must be of individual, not groups. Therefore, if you can challenge it, the if you have any grievance about your privacy being shared with some third party, then public emergency information can be shared, but that should be subject to judicial scrutiny. Biometric information. The biometric information was dealt under section 6 along with enrollment update regulation 2016. Thereafter, kindly, the sensitive informations like race, religion, caste, tribe, ethnicity, language, records of entitlement, income or medical history of that were specifically prohibited under section 2K, section 32(3) and regulation 26 from collecting and storing all these informations. That was also enriched in the said judgment. Kindly go through the entirety of the judgment. Thereafter, they said verification of mobile SIM card by Aadhaar card was not allowed. Therefore, kindly go through the Palanisamy judgment, every word, so that you can equip with the Aadhaar related cases.